So hello everyone, welcome to SBCodes. My name is Swastik Banerjee and this is the fourth video or fourth episode of our new series mini projects in Java. And today our topic will be, or our project topic will be tax calculator. So this is direct tax, which is the income tax for individuals. See, there are many laws and many cess and important taxes. Okay, so if you just see the tax slab, this is the basic tax slab, or this is the basic thing which I found in the internet. If you just search it, direct tax Indian slab or Indian tax slab, direct tax slab, the direct tax slab comes like this. So for our sake of convenience, we will take that this is for age less than 60, means for up 18 plus and less than 60, those people, those citizens, for them this is the tax slab, this is the rates of tax. And then if the age, because tax is direct tax, income tax is dependent on the age of the individual. What is the age of the individual? According to that, the tax will be calculated. So if the age of the individual is less than 60, means he or she is not senior citizen, then this is the tax slab, this is the rates of tax in India. And if the person is in the age 60 and less than 80, is the if the person's age is greater than equals to 60 and less than 80, then this is the tax slab. Those people are called senior citizen. Okay. And there is another category whose age is above 80, whose age is above 80. I didn't know about this category, but I came to know while doing this project that there is a category called above 80 age, and they are known as super senior citizens, and for them this is the tax slab. Okay, so according to these three tax slabs, we will take the name of the individual, name of the person, okay, age of the person, and income, annual income of the person. So these things we will take input, and with the name we don't have to do anything, but age and income is very important for us. Age will help us to identify, because we will make three functions, 3 to 4 functions we will make. See, 1, 2 and 3. I think 4 functions we will make, including the and excluding the main function. Main function will be the about 4th one maybe, or 5th one. So few functions we will make. One for age basis. On the basis of age we will divide the functions. One for the citizens, normal citizens, one for senior citizens, and one for super senior citizens. Okay, so I think 4 or 5 functions we will make like this. Okay, then according to the age we will check which what age the person has, and according to that we will call the function and just input, or we will just pass the income to that function. So our target will be just to take these 3 input, and previously we have already made few functions. These 3 input we will take in our main function. We will check what is the age of the person, and according to that we will call each function. Okay, whatever function we need to call. Okay, so let's just start making our project. Okay, let's just start making it. So our project name is tax calculator, calculates the tax. We will import again java.util.star. Our class name will be for income tax, or you can write tax calculator also, tax calculator. And now our target will be to make few functions, according to which we will access our, according to the age we will access each of the function. First function will be our, since it is a case of money, so it can be in point also after applying the tax. Okay, it can be in point also, so that's why double I am taking. Double function name will be citizen, because it is for the normal citizens, so I am just giving the name as citizen. Income is a long digit number, so it can create a problem if I declare it int, so I have declared it long. Okay, using the variable long, or sorry, using the data type long, we are using it. Now double tax, how much tax we will calculate, that will stored in this variable. So now according to the tax slab, if you want, you can just check the tax slab again by rewinding the video, or you can take the screenshot of it and see whether I am doing it right or not, because I have already seen it and I am having my setup. So I am seeing it and doing it. Okay, I am seeing the tax slab, I am doing it. So if income is already there, you can just take a screenshot of it if you want. If the income is up to 2.5 lakhs, okay, if the income is up to 2.5 lakhs, then tax is nil, that means 0. Okay, let's go. Then the tax is 0. So income is less than equals to 2.5 lakhs, that means 2,50,000, 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. So at that time, the tax will be equals to 0.0. Also you can give, doesn't matter, same thing. Else if now income is greater than, obviously up to 2.5 lakhs we have calculated, so now greater than 2.5 lakhs we will see. But if it is greater, and the upper limit is income less than equals to 5 lakhs. I think this is the tax up to the 5 lakhs. From greater than 2.5 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Let's go and make it 5 lakhs. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. This is a little difficult actually. Calculating the zeros. Tax is equals to income, and we have to subtract the part which we have already calculated. That means 2.5 lakhs we have already calculated. So that much money we have to subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to subtract, and the rest of the amount will be charged by 0.05. That means 5%. Okay, 5% will be the rate. And income, again assess is there, assess amount is also there, that will also be charged on this 1, 2, 3, 4, this amount, that is 4% cess, so that will be 0.04. Then this is just, you need to see the tax slab, and according to it you need to calculate this. Okay, just don't be confused about all the age differences. It will be same, just the numbers are different. Otherwise the things are same, different functions you will just write, and it will be much more clear to you, much more helpful to you to do it. Okay, again, else if income is greater than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lakhs, and income is less than equals to 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 lakh, and 1 more 0 for 10 lakhs. Done. And so this time tax will be 5 lakhs will be subtracted, because 5 lakhs, up to 5 lakhs we have already calculated. So that 5 lakhs part will be subtracted. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lakhs is subtracted, and the rest of the part, that means after subtracting 5 lakhs from the main income, that will be charged 0.2%. 0.2%, not 0.2% actually, 2% maybe. Sorry, I think this one, 20%. So that makes up that 20 by 100, 0.2. Okay, so 0.2%, 0.2, not percent actually, 0.2 the amount is, that will be charged, multiplied with it, divide by 100. I have just calculated it after dividing it with 100. Okay, and again this income has cess, means extra charge. That extra charge is, we have to subtract 2.5 lakhs, sorry, yes, 2.5 lakhs. We are in this part, 20% of the income, this plus this much plus 4% cess. You have to add 4% cess, and then that amount, 2% cess. Okay, wait, we are in here, citizen, senior citizen, and we are here we are calculating this part less than this, yes, plus rupees 12500. Okay, we will add that. So what we have to subtract is greater, right? 20% plus 4% cess. So we will do the same thing which we were doing. Again, we will subtract the same amount. We will subtract the same amount. That means 5 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 we will subtract, and 4% cess. So that means 0.04, 0.04, 4% cess. Yes, 0.04. I am correct. And then a value is given. That value is a charge. 12,500. 12500. This amount is charged. Again, else if is there, and if this time the income is greater than 10 lakhs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is greater than 10 lakhs this time, if it is greater than 10 lakhs, then it will be tax is equals to income minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 zeros, 3%, I think 0.3, no, not 0.30%. Yes, 0.3 plus 3 will be multiplied. That means 30% plus this amount 112500, 112500. This amount plus assess amount is also there. There is an extra tax by government charges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the remaining amount 0.04. And then the simple step, that is, we will just return tax. This part will be returned. Now what we will do is we will just copy it. It's not the same, but just the numbers we have to change every time, and that we will do. Paste. We will again paste it. 2 times we have, 1 citizen we have. This time we will have senior citizen. Senior citizen, long income. Senior citizen, and this time the name will be senior citizen. Okay, and we will go for our senior citizen part. Go for our senior citizen part, and the same thing, that is double tax. Tax is equals to, sorry, this thing is senior citizen, tax is equals to 0, and it starts from if the income is less than equals to 3 lakhs. Easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 3 lakhs, then the tax is nil, means nothing. If income is greater than 3 lakhs, greater 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, if the income is greater than 3 lakhs and the income is less than 5 lakhs, then the tax is equals to 3 lakhs will be subtracted. Obviously, I told you the things are very similar, just values you need to change, and it will be charged with, means 5%, which comes out to be 0.05. Okay, that will be multiplied plus income. Again, it will be charged 4% cess amount. That means an extra tax taken by the government. Okay, for roads and all those things. Maybe I don't know exactly, but extra amount is charged. That is the cess. Now, if the amount is greater than 5 lakhs and less than equals to 10 lakhs, then minus 5 lakhs. Same thing I told, just the values need to be changed. And here 0.2%, that means sorry, 2%. So 0.2 will be multiplied, and extra amount is also charged. That amount is 10500. Okay, that is the thing. And income minus 5 less 4% cess. This thing is not there, not present. Is greater than, if the income is greater than 10 lakhs, then 10 lakhs is subtracted. Then 3%, sorry, 30%, not equity. Okay, not equity, 30%, that tax is, so 0.03 will be multiplied. Extra amount is not this, extra amount is 1 and 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 zeros, 11,000 is charged. Then 4% cess. This is done. The return tax and this one will also be the same, just the values need to change. It will be super senior citizen long income. Now this time what we are going to do is the tax charge is from 5 lakhs 5 lakhs 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if the income is less than equals to 5 lakhs, no tax. Else if the income is greater than 5 lakhs, it starts from 5 lakhs. You see, that's what we need to do. It starts with 5 lakhs and less than 10 lakhs. So here are only 2 lines of else if, so I will delete this part. I don't need this. Okay, I don't need this. What I need is this part. Greater than 5 lakhs and income is less than 10 lakhs, less than equals to 10 lakhs, then it is, the charge is the same, only this extra amount is not present. And else if the income is greater than 10 lakhs, then it will be charged with 30%, and the extra amount is I think 1 lakhs 1 2 3 4 5. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Don't worry how I'm watching this. Actually, I'm having this tax slab before and on my another screen, on my tab. So if you want, you can just see this 1 lakhs I told now. So you can just take a screenshot of this, or you can see from here and go and visit their website and see the tax slabs. Okay, according to that tax slab only I am calculating this tax, and this tax slab is based upon the Indian tax slab. I have just searched and I have got this. This is just, this full thing is based upon the Indian tax slab. I am not doing anything. It is done by Indian government. Okay, so don't blame me. It is done by the Indian government. So now it will be greater than 10 lakhs. So 10 lakhs will be subtracted, 30% interest, 1 lakh is the extra charge, 4% cess, and return tax. Done. Now what we have is, we will be doing void display, another function we have, and string name will be displayed, int age and long income. This is another function which will help us to display things. Okay, if age is greater than equals to 18 and age less than 60, that means we have our citizen part. And system dot out dot print ln name will be printed. So there goes the name. Then age will be printed. We'll just copy this, copy, paste, again we will paste. So here age will be printed this time, and here also I will just change it to age. This time income tax, because income he has just entered, the tax will be printed here. And since it was all are, I think, okay, so there we made a mistake maybe, or we can just directly call it maybe. Let's see, we can directly call it. Yes, we will call it directly. This is not, this time it's not name, this will be the citizen function is called, and we will pass the income to it. Done. This is one case. Like this, other cases also we have pasted. It will be else if age is greater than equals to 60, less than 80, then same thing, just here senior citizen. Done. Same thing will be again copy, and we will, this is more of copy paste, but the logic has to be very clear that how we calculate it. Just the numbers are gonna different in every age. Okay, otherwise the things are very similar, same thing, and it makes very easier how to the main thing is how to just you will design the program, that you will have to differentiate it into different functions, and then we have to call it. So that thing needs to be very much clear. Okay, less than 80, so now age will be greater than equals to 80, and this time also this will be senior, so it will be super senior citizen. Super senior citizen. So this function is also ready. Now only last we have, that is public static void main. Only the last function we have, that is the public static void main, and here we will write our general basic common things. That is, you have to create the object of scanner class. Then here I have created the income tax actually, but here I have not written, I have written tax calculator, but actually it is income tax. Okay, just make it income tax calculator, tax calculator. Copy it. We will create the object of this class, new tax calculator. The object is created. Then we will write this. What we're gonna write is, we will tell the user to enter the name, and just we have to take input everything, enter name. Okay, if you know this thing, you can just skip this part and try the whole thing on your own. Enter name, so string name thing we will get sc dot next line string name we got. We'll copy it, paste it, enter age. So will be int age, and next will be int age, and then again we will copy, paste, enter income, enter income. Income will be entered, will be long, it will be I think income test, otherwise we will just get confused. It will be income long variable name, and what we have to do is we will have to just call ob dot, and see how just we call it and everything will be displayed. We will have to pass our name, our age, and our income to the display function. The display function will send it to the other functions. It will automatically get calculated and it will be displayed. Let's just check. What's your income? How much do you want? Let's check this thing. My name Abhijit Sarkar, maybe I will write. Age, how much you need? How much? 45, let's say. Income, how much? 50 lakhs. 1 2 3 4 5. How much zero I have entered? 1 2 3 4 5 6 zeros. Wow. So this is the tax. Okay, let's see one thing. If we just enter this, what will happen? Let's see. Obviously it will be 0, but this will be a little funny. Let's see. Again, Abhijit Sharma or something will enter. Age we will enter 90, and income we will enter 0. So tax is also 0, obviously, because his age is 90, so he has lost everything. his money and everything, and he is maybe died or something. So this is the whole thing, the whole program, the tax calculator which we have just created. Our concept was that we have to just search in Google what is the Indian tax slab. That means how Indians are charged for their income. Just a basic tax slab for direct tax slab, basic tax slab. And we saw that it was divided into three parts for for the age less than 60, then 60 to less than 80, and above 80. These are the three tax slabs we got for different age groups. Okay, for three different age groups we got three different tax slabs. So what we did was we created three functions for each of that age group. Okay, for citizen means for above 18 to less than 60. For that age group, this is the tax slab, and how like this the tax is calculated. Now same program we have just copied here, and we have just changed the numbers. Otherwise the few of the charges were same, few things we just needed to add. Just we did that. And again the same thing we did with super senior citizens also. We have just copied it and changed the numbers. Okay, and we have calculated it. And this is the, I think, fourth function, which is display. It contains the name, the age, and the income. It will check the age, and accordingly it will just uh, display the name, age. Every time we will display the name and age, whatever your age is, doesn't matter. So name and age will be displayed, and income tax, we have just passed that income to the correct function according to the age. Okay, so like this we have created. Then we have created the main function. Here is the main function. From the main function we have taken the name, age, and income as input, and we have just passed it because we are checking the age group here. So we have just simply passed that name, age, and income to this display function, and display function will do the rest of the work. Will do the rest of the work, so we don't have to think about it. So this was our tax calculator, the process we create tax calculator. This series motive is to just grow your interest in Java programming and to make the things of programming into a real world, to solve the problems of real world, create something, few simple projects only because we are beginners, but slowly we will go into little intermediate level and we will create long projects like this we have created. This is actually a long project if you see it properly, but since we have done it very easily and simply, so it seems very simple, but actually it's a very long. If you just write it, then you will feel how much long it is. Okay, more long projects also we will do much more longer than this in the upcoming sessions, in the upcoming videos. But till then, if you have learned something, if you have got to know something, if I was able to share something, then please subscribe the channel and write in the comment section what value you got, or what you need next, or what you want me to do, or what you if you have any idea regarding this, okay, any idea in your mind, then let's create on it. So I will try my best to do that. Till then, stay safe, bye bye, and thank you.